But let us quickly go back to our toy example, and there are two essential prerequisites for you to be able to do a union or any type of sort operations. Number one, the tables must have the same number of columns. And number two, the columns must have the same data type. So as you can see here, we are combining toy 2 and toy 1, and both of them have 3 columns. And the first column is an integer, the second is a boolean, and the third is a string in both tables. And this is how we are able to combine them. So what would happen if I went to the first table and I got only the first 2 columns and then I tried to combine it? You guessed it, I would get an error because I have a mismatched column count. So if I want to select only the first 2 columns in a table, I need to select only the first 2 columns in another table. And then the union will work. Now what would happen if I messed up the order of the columns? So let's say that here I will select column 1 and column 3, and here I will select column 1 and column 2. Let me run this, and I will get an error because of incompatible types, string and bool. So what's happening here is that SQL is trying to get the values of col 3 over here and put it into col 2 over here. And it's trying to get a string and put it into a boolean column, and that simply doesn't work because, as you know, SQL enforces strict types on columns. And so this will not work. But of course, I could select col 3 in here as well. And now again, we will have a string column going into a string column, and of course, this will work. So to summarize, you can union or intersect or accept any 2 tables as long as they have the same number of columns and the columns have the same data types. Let us now illustrate a union with a more concrete example. So we have our items table here and our characters table here. So the items table represents like magical items, right? While the characters table, we're familiar with it, represents actual characters. So let's say that you are managing a video game and someone asks you for a single table that contains all of the entities in that video game, right? And the entities include both characters and items. So you want to create a table which combines these 2 tables into one. We know we can use union to do that. We know we can use union to stack all the rows. But we cannot directly union these 2 tables because they have a different schema, right? They have a different number of columns, and then those columns have different data types. But let's analyze what these 2 tables have in common and how we could maybe combine that. So first of all, they both have an ID, and in both cases it's an integer. So that's already pretty good. They both have a name, and in both cases the name is a string, so we can combine that as well. The item type can be thought of being similar to the class, and then each item has a level of power, which is expressed as an integer, and each character has a level of experience, which is expressed as an integer, and you can think that they are kind of similar. And then finally, we have a timestamp field representing a moment in time for both columns, which are date added and last active. So looking at these columns that the 2 have sort of in common, we can find a way to combine them. And here's how we can translate these into SQL, right? So I went to the fantasy items table and I selected the columns that I wanted. And then I went to the characters table and I selected the columns that I wanted to combine with those in the right order. So we have ID with ID, name with name, class with item type, level with power, and last active with date added. So I have my columns, they're in the right order. I wrote union distinct, and if I run this, you will see that I have successfully combined the rows from these two tables by finding out which columns they have in common, and then writing them in the right order and then adding union distinct. Now all the columns that we've chosen for the combination have the same type, but what would happen if I wanted to combine two columns that are not actually the same type? So let's say, what if we wanted to combine rarity, which is a string, with experience, which is an integer? As you know, I cannot do this directly, but I can go around it by either taking rarity and turning it into an integer, or taking experience and turning it into a string. I just have to make sure that they both have the same data type. Now, the easiest way is usually to take any other data type and turn it into a string, because you just turn it into text. So let's say that for the sake of this demonstration, we will take integer experience, which is an integer, and turn it into a string, which is text, and then combine that with rarity. So I will go back to my code, and I will make some room over here. And here in items, I will add rarity. And here in characters, I will add experience. And you can see that I already get an error here saying that the union distinct has incompatible types, just like expected. So what I want to do here is to take experience and turn it into string, and I can do that with the cast function. So I can do cast experience as string, and what this will do is basically take these values and convert them to string. And if I run this, you can see that this has worked. So we combined two tables into one, and now the result is a single table. It has a column called rarity. The reason it's called rarity is that it's taking the name from the first table in the operation, but we could of course rename it to whatever we need. And this is now a text column because we have combined a text column with also a text column thanks to the casting function. So what we see here are a bunch of numbers which came originally from the experience column from the characters table, but they're now converted to text. And if I scroll down, then I will also see the original values of rarity from the items table.